Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Aviva policy documents or certificates from app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download Aviva policy documents or certificates from the app, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Aviva application and then simply log in with your email or username and then type in your password and then tap on login. And once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is go to my policies and you will see list of policies like life insurance, car insurance, home insurance and travel insurance. Tap the policy which you want the document and then find the documents or policy certificate section. Look for a menu option like documents, policy documents, certificates, PDF, download and tap it to open your policy documents. Then select the document you want to download. Options usually include policy schedule or certificate, terms and conditions, proof of insurance, payment receipt. Simply tap the document you want. Then next is to download and share. Tap on download to save a PDF to your phone or tap share or email to send it to yourself or someone else. Make sure you know where the file is saved on the downloads for all the files app, or you can also open it in Adobe PDF Reader to view. Then you can also save for future use as well by saving the PDF on your phone or your email to yourself, or you can print it if you need a hard copy as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.